If your writing starts like this, you have already lost marks. The graph shows information about, no, say, this instead. The chart illustrates trends in. Stop wasting words, start gaining marks. 2. This phrase screams band 6, but students think it sounds smart. In today's modern world, delete it, say, nowadays. Or, if it's asking about technology, write, in the era of technology. Real English gets higher scores. 3. If you copy the question like this, examiners downgrade you instantly. Some people think, too basic, say, many argue that, or it is widely believed that. This is how you reach band 7. 4. This one weak phrase is destroying your task response. I think, too basic, say, I firmly believe, or it is clear that. Strong opinion, higher band. 5. Examiners see this all the time and will mark you down. Firstly, secondly, finally, stop, say. One key reason is, another major factor is, sound natural, score higher. 6. This sentence looks fine, but it keeps you at band 6. People exercise because it is good. Too weak, say. People exercise because it improves health and reduces stress. Explain more, score higher. Instant band 7. 7. If you still use this word, you are stuck at band 5 or band 6. Very important. Upgrade it. Say, crucial or essential. Better words, higher band score. 8. Most IELTS conclusions are a waste of time, including yours. In conclusion, I agree. Too basic. Say, this essay has shown that. Summarize, properly, gain marks. 9. If your sentences sound like this, you will not achieve band 7. Cars are fast, cars are useful. Too simple. Say, people prefer cars because they are fast and convenient. Complex sentences, higher band score. 10. Be honest, did you memorize your IELTS essay? This essay will discuss. Examiners know, write naturally and directly. Natural writing builds higher band score. 11. If your sentences are full of and, you sound like band 5. People work hard and they earn money and they feel happy. And. Too basic, too weak, too repetitive. Say, people work hard, earn money, and feel satisfied. Cleaner writing, higher score. 12. This mistake instantly exposes weak English. Do a decision. Wrong. Make a decision. Correct. Natural English band 7. 13. If you write like this, you are not getting band 7. Kids a lot of. Too informal. Say, children a significant number of. Formal tone, higher score. 14. If your opinion is unclear, your band drops immediately. This essay discusses both views. Not enough. Give your opinion clearly. Clear position, higher band. 15. If you repeat this word, you are capped at band 6. Important, important, important. Stop repeating. Say, crucial, essential, significant. Range increases your score. 16. This example is too weak for IELTS. For example, people like food. Too general. Give specific, developed examples. Specific writing, higher band. 17. If your ideas are too general, examiners get bored. Technology is good. Too vague. Say, technology improves communication and access to information. Specific ideas, better score. 18. If every sentence uses because your writing sounds basic. Because. Too repetitive. Use due to as a result of since. Variety gives higher band. 19. One paragraph essays mean instant band drop. Everything in one block. Wrong. Use clear introduction, body, and conclusion. Structure increases your score. 20. If your sentence is this long, it is probably wrong. Too many ideas in one sentence. Break it. Use clear, controlled sentences. Clarity gives higher marks. 21. Examiners can spot this template instantly. On the one hand, on the other hand. Too memorized. Use natural transitions instead. Natural flow, higher band. 22. If your paragraph starts like this, it is weak. Jumping straight into examples. Wrong. Start with a clear main idea. Strong structure, higher score. 23. One tense mistake can cost your band. Mixing past and present. Too risky. Stay consistent with tense. Accuracy increases your score. 24. Under 250 words, you lose marks instantly. Too short. Fix it. Write at least 260 words. Meet the requirement, protect your band. 25. Too many words can lower your score. 350 words with mistakes. Not smart. Keep it clear and accurate. Quality beats quantity. 26. Big words will not save you, they can destroy your score. Using words incorrectly. Dangerous. Use simple words correctly. Accuracy wins in IELTS. 27. If your ideas do not move forward, you are stuck at band 6. Repeating the same idea. Stop. Each sentence must add new value. Progression gives higher band. 28. Your introduction decides your band in seconds. Generic memorized intro. Too weak. Paraphrase, give, opinion, outline ideas. Strong start, higher score. 29. If you do not answer the question, you lose task response. Writing generally. Wrong focus. Answer every part of the question. Direct answers, higher band. 30. The last 2 minutes decide your band. No checking. Big mistake. Check spelling, grammar, word count. Small fixes, big results. Subscribe to IELTS Education 25.